Time for a full rebuild on Chuck's. You ported that one already too, right? So
yeah, I did.
That one looks the same as this.
A little bit more porting on this one.
She's in there.
Nobody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Alright boys, we got a few more packages in for the Elite, and this one's actually a big upgrade. But also, we got a sweet little care package here from our boys over at Scooter Swap Shop, and they threw it out to the OG Mop Boy right here. So they sent this out to me, so we're gonna crack it open. If you're looking for some parts for your scooter, definitely check them out. They have a huge inventory of parts, and I've gotten 99% of all the parts I got for my scooter from them. Not this one right here. I decided to cheap out on some parts, but it's something that you can kind of cheap out on. But for quality parts, engine one, check out what Scooter Swap Shop has to offer, because they got some good stuff in there. Quality little patch piece. No way. Oh my god, bro. Look how hard this is. Bro. Got a bunch of goodies from the boys. Little license plate bracket pieces, some keychains. Oh, so Scooter Swap Shop actually goes in so hard with the merch. Got like the work shirt. I didn't even know this was in there. I thought it was a regular t-shirt. A hoodie with the scooters hitting the wheelies on the back. Definitely check out Scooter Swap Shop if you guys are in the need of some parts. Check there first because they're really cool over there. And I'm pretty sure you can actually like give your motor or send your motor into them, and they can do a full build and pretty much give it back to you like turnkey. That's as far as I know, because I've watched their YouTube before and I saw a video where they built the whole motor for this guy and did a full like stroker build on it. But can't promise, but definitely check out their website. Alright, trying to get ahead of things here since I've had so many scooters taken apart and just projects going on in general. Got a few more storage bins to reorganize some parts. So right here we got all the Elite plastics, clusters, shrouds. Gonna fill this one just with some small parts I have. A lot of this is still going back on the scooter. It's not even spare parts really. Gotta go through this one. This one's gonna be car parts and kind of just reorganizing the shelves because this thing's just been cluttered. I actually want to get another shelf here, and I still have one more shelf that came with this one. If I get another one, I'm gonna delete that shelf, and then I should be able to put 2 more shelves over here and be able to put all my spare tires from my car up here, which would be really sick because now I have 4 extra wheels right here in this box that I haven't even shown yet for the car once it's done. So the car's still not here. It's at my buddy's house right now, getting some of the TIG welding done. Alright, we got Elite parts, a bunch of paint stuff from my A36, some random moped parts. We got more Elite parts in this one. This one's all 1JZ parts. So we're getting organized over here, boys. I'm going through a bunch of boxes. I literally just have boxes like just piled up on here. The goal is to have this all in containers and then build on more shelves so I can start piling like one just for motors and stuff like that. This is all like just cluttered right now. So I'd like to have it where it's like engines, exhausts, and because I still have 2 more moped motors on the back porch that I want to put in here and kind of start cleaning everything out. So it's been a mission of mine. I also got to go through here and do the E36 parts that are all just messed and piled up here. I just got like a bunch of parts that are just like piled in places, which has screwed me over. And not to mention all the stuff I have in random boxes up here like that I like to go through and actually organize. Thanks, neighbor. Just got my whole yard is full of leaves now. Thanks, dude. I can put up a whiteboard now so I can actually remember what I need for what project, because I keep forgetting to order stuff and I keep forgetting what I next need to do on it. So. It sucks having this many projects at once, just looking at that to-do list, but now I visually can see it. I'm so bad with remembering stuff, so I remember I have to do something for my car and I get to a point and I'm like, damn it, I forgot to order this stupid part, and then like everything blocks me in the way. So hopefully I'll remember to actually read this list. So I'm just gonna clean up a little bit here, and then we're gonna head over to Chuck's and do some stuff with his Elite. I think we're finishing it today. So all right, we're off, boys. I gotta go ship out this alternator. I got E36 parts to drop off to my buddy who has the E36 right now, and then we're going to Chuck's to do some scooter stuff. Hey, we got a MOPBOYZ out here on the slammed ruckus piece. Okay. Oh, bro. Would have thrown the MOPBOYZ piece, the new colorway, the silver piece, ain't even out yet. So I went in the post office and the line was absolutely massive. So never mind that. Time for a full rebuild on Chuck's scooter. We're putting the other motor from that purple Elite in here with the fresh 72cc Polini kit, which I think he already put on imported. So we'll take a look at that in a second. This top piston ring is stuck too. It's completely, the bottom one's free, top one's stuck. This was the motor that was completely caked in fur and grease and hair, and now it's all cleaned up with the Polini kit on it.
These come with like, there's like these walls, sharp walls that it just runs into, the air runs into.
Yeah. You ported that one already too, right? So
yeah, I did.
That one looks the same as this.
A little bit more porting on this one, but
on this one?
On this one right here. I did very minimal because I didn't want to do too much and get any metal in the block.
Yeah.
So are you able to use...
We're gonna take this manifold and everything, put it on this new case, put this new case in there, put all the car, put all that on there, take out the gears, put the gears in here, put the wheel on there, swap everything over, put it back in, and then hopefully we'll go on our ride tomorrow too.
I'm pumped out, bro.
I'm warm though now.
It's a 701.
7-1, dude.
Yeah, Malossi straight cuts.
Malossi straight cuts.
Did you see the shot?
Where's the other one at?
You know that. Where's the other one at?
Yeah.
Over there.
Oh yeah, I want to see the difference.
Yeah, we can grab that one and compare.
Oh, this one's like swiveled. That's why.
Yep.
It looks like a Kickstarter.
Yeah, you see how much different, bit bigger? So that's where I'm getting all my gearing from, is the primary. It's pretty cool. See, so yeah, you can just mess with either or. But a lot of Hawaii guys mess with the secondary. These ones and then these ones. Yeah, they get this gear and then this gear. They don't change this gear and this gear.
Yeah.
Thing's so annoying.
Dude, the thing's gonna blow. That's it. It literally sounds like it's about to explode. No way. I popped the brake here.
Because when people just talk to me about the gasket. Yes, hello, sweet. He just walks away. Go away, Coco. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yeah, what you looking at?
Go away. The OEM Honda intake gasket. Get the sides a little more. No, that's actually pretty spot on right there.
That's perfect. On the bond.
Honda bonded up though.
Yeah. On my moped.
On the moped?
Yep. On
No
my
way.
GoPed and moped. Yep. I had a Bigfoot that had a seat I used to ride around, deliver papers on.
Yeah. Hey, Christmas tanks and purple one.
Right. I was thinking about. That's good.
She's in there. First ride on tomorrow, right?
Yep. Start her up in the morning. Test her out. Tune her a little bit.
Alright, it's the next day now. We finished up at Chuck's last night. I had to head out, and I think he threw the rest of the scooter together. I think we're going on a ride today. I'm not sure. I guess you'll know when the next video is us riding the scooter. But either way, we're going to have to take that thing out soon for some testing and some tuning. Basically, we just took the AF16 block out of the stock 50cc purple Elite that we had in the last video, because we knew that one was prime, and the crank on his last one was kind of had some play in it. So we put that new POLINI Corsa kit on that block and put that block in his scooter. He just had to put his trans in and a few other things with his car. What are you going crazy over here for, boy? What are you doing? What are you going crazy, huh? Why are you going crazy? But now, next time we need to come out here and get this stroker started and do a few more things with the stroker. So we got the parts for, we got a bunch of parts for all the scooters pretty much, and yeah, a bunch to come. I think today, if we don't go on a ride, I'm gonna mess around with this 50cc scooter and do some more wheelies and stock 50cc stuff. And I think I'm gonna post a full video on the cluster handlebar delete because everybody asked me, so I figured why not make that a video. And yeah, boys, that's gonna do it for this one. Dog's over here going crazy. He's ready to go outside. If you want to support the channel and support your boys, make sure you grab a sticker in the description. I say it all the time, but bunch coming soon. I got more stickers on the way that I make all my vinyl stickers myself, and I actually ordered some decal stickers soon. So there's a bunch of stuff coming to the site soon, and I'll see you guys in the next one.